Hi, this is Dr. Zeb from Falls Community Health, here today to talk about COVID-19 precautions. Limit close contact with people, limit physical contact, including handshakes, wash your hands and avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth. Limit in-person meetings to direct your team and utilize online tools for communication. Stay home if you are sick. Do not report to work if you have a fever of 100 or higher, cough, shortness of breath, and sore throat. Avoid crowds, especially in poorly ventilated spaces, and limit non-essential travel. For reliable information, use WHO and CDC. If you have further questions, contact your physician or Falls Community Health for further information.